should entrepreneurs treat kind of like healthcare differently than like W-2 employees kind of do? Would you say in your mind?
Actually, yes. Entrepreneurs should definitely invest a bit more in their health.
Okay.
In their health, because without their health, what happens to the business? If anything happens to them, so I always encourage, our entrepreneurs, invest in yourself, invest in your health, and then talk to your tax advisor because a lot of times it's a write-off.
Yeah, yeah. So you kind of get the benefit of that, and which is super important. And how, in your opinion, like how many families you would say are kind of like one medical event away from a financial collapse? We see it a lot where it's like one, again, a lot of times physical ailments don't announce themselves. They just happen,
Right,
And
right.
if you're not prepared and you don't have the proper coverage, it can be devastating. So I don't know if you could speak to like, how many times do you kind of think that is a situation that exists out there?
It's so common. In fact, our family, we were touched by that recently. Luckily, my father had money set aside in a health savings account as well. So that's another option, setting up health savings accounts so that what isn't covered by your health insurance, you can also have that money to be able to pay for treatments as well.